Thank you for, you live here or you visiting here? Thank you for being here. Your name? Susan. You come from?
Canada.
Canada. Let's give a big hand for Susan from Canada. Susan, are you married or single?
Happily married.
I'm so happy for you. Have a seat. Don't worry. Everything's gonna be alright. Everything's gonna be alright. I want to share with you and all of our guests something that you might want to learn. It's simple, but sometimes it's very hard to get into. The coconut is the tree of life. We enjoy the juice, we enjoy the meat. Medicine from the coconut tree. Sometimes you don't see coconuts on the trees. We have to remove them because of safety reasons. But if you want to see coconuts, come to my village. My trees are loaded. Every time people visit my village, I always tell them to stay away from the tree. Because if you get hit by a coconut in my village, it's your own fault. Sometimes you get hit by a coconut and there's no tree. It means you're in the wrong hut. Can you say coconut?
Coconut.
Okay. How long you been married? That's all right, I'll find out. This is the coconut. Before you use, this is the sharp stick. We call it mele. Can you say mele?
Mele.
Everybody say mele. In English, sharp stick. Everybody say sharp stick. How do you say sharp stick in Canada?
Sharp stick.
Sorry?
Spike.
Spike. Okay. Are you telling me the truth? Okay. Before you use the sharp stick to remove the husk of the coconut, you need to spend time and get to know your coconut. You talk to them like, hello coconut. Hello. How are you today? I thank you. Then you gotta shake it. You know why you want to shake your coconuts?
To see if there's liquid.
Perfect. Shake it. You don't hear the liquid, it's no good. You gotta look for the front. How can you tell the front of the coconut?
The face.
Not yet. Look for your own front. This is the front. Belly button, okay? There's the front. There's the back side. Okay? So, when you use your sharp stick, you don't hit the middle of the back side. Stay close to the front, okay? You come a little closer and then you can you hold my mic? No, this one. All right. So you push in. Make sure you have a millet stand. All right, push it down. And be careful because this come out. That's why there's a song stuck on you. Take pictures. Follow 2 steps.
Oleh sungai SIELU, embelezar oleh lepa il Buntelli Selafai.
Yeah, that's the city of Samoa. big hotels, beautiful girls and handsome men. Anyways, that's how we hustle, okay? That was in slow motion for your convenience. Record for men hushing coconuts, 3 seconds. Ladies, 2 days. That's why the men do the cooking, okay? You want to crack those in two, study the face. Look for the 2 small eyes, mouth, and nose. You see the face? There's a legend how that face came about, but it's too long, so we skip it. You want to hear the legend? No. All right, then just bring your husband with you. Which one is your husband? Husband, raise your hand. There's like 5 hands going up. All right, so follow the line that runs between the eyes. Get yourself a hot object and hit across the line. Use hammers and knives, screwdrivers, dynamite. Most people throw down the concrete floor, like a lady from Canada told me. She put a coconut in the ground and ran it over with a lawnmower. You know her? Okay. Young man from Texas pulled out his 45 and shot thing between the eyes while his mother-in-law was holding the coconut. But we are using this. We call this ma'a. Can you say ma'a? Ma'a. Everybody say ma'a. Oh yes. Everybody? That's not everybody. Everybody? This is popo. All right, everybody try this in English. Rock. Coconut. Give yourselves a round of applause. You guys are fantastic. So now you know. When you go home and you want to rock your coconut, look for the light. You come to the islands, you want to ma'a your popo, just hit it. Everybody say hit it. Hit it real good. Oh, oh. Fresh juice is good to drink. We call it 7-Up because there's no caffeine. Never have. Never will. We call it 7-Up because to get a coconut to drink, you have to climb the tree. Remember, 7 days a week, 7 times up, 7 up, 7 times down, and pull up. Have you tried the juice before?
Yes.
Where?
Here.
Okay. Well, welcome back here. You should try this. Mine is better. Go ahead and just try a little bit, see if you like it. Go ahead. Yeah. Drink the whole thing. You are not going anywhere unless you drink all your juice. It's good for you. Tomorrow you look like me. I'm sure your husband will look forward to that. But anyways, I'd like to invite your husband. Husband, can you come up here, please? So how long you been married?
14 years.
Now you remember. Are you happy?
Yes.
You liar. Husband, what's your name?
Doug.
Doug? I'm bright. So, how long you been married?
I think 14 years. I've been told. How many?
Sorry?
I said, isn't it? I think it is.
Seems like about 100.
All right. Can you let go of my hand?
Any help with that?
So 14 years of marriage. Doug, go ahead. Drink the whole thing. It works. I mean, it's good. Give a hand for Doug and his lovely wife. All right. You are going to take this home. But there's something that I want to give to you. Being married 14 years, can you move back a little bit? Right here. Doug, it's time to present this to your lovely wife. Just remember the first time it happened. I mean, when you first saw that lovely, beautiful girl. And you want to take it all over, everywhere around the world. Now you bring it to Samoa. And we thank you. Are you happy that you bring your wife here?
I am very happy.
Are you happy that you are looking at me and I'm looking at you?
Very happy.
Now you're making me nervous. Remember, it's been 14 years. Present this to your lovely wife. Island style. You know island style?
No, I don't. No.
Then I help you. Number one, eye contact. Look at your wife like this. Then you go, honey! You see, everything echoes here. Honey! I love you! I love you! I'm starting to get to know you. Then finally you're gonna go. You are a gentleman. Place this on your wife's head, okay? See the flower, it means something. You place the flower in the right ear, single, available, and free. Left ear, taken, married, and stuck. In the middle, you don't know whether she's coming or going. In the back, just follow me to that big tree. All right? All right? Go ahead and place it on your wife's head. Oh, follow you to the big tree. All right. Wait over there. Okay. You present this to your lovely husband. All right. So, eye contact. Look at him.
Honey.
Just keep meowing and move forward.
Meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Don't look at me, look at your husband.
Meow. Meow.
Place it on the head. No, that's not the head. All right. Both of you get antennas. Anyone not happy? Don't fight. Just be quiet and watch TV. This means many channels. Congratulations. Happy 14th year of a marriage. It's the culture. Thank you. Yeah, we no. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Why? Look at how many people are watching. And,
I didn't see them.
okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now you can enjoy. And I need to give you one. Okay? We call in the islands songi. It means kiss on the cheek. I'm gonna songi you. You're gonna songi me. Songi. All right. Wait. There's another cheek. Oh. There's more cheeks. All right. Turn around. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. Can I have all the men join the line? Yeah, guys, this is not a buffet. Okay. Congratulations. Mahalo. Let's give a round of applause for our friends from Canada.